Hi, in this video we will talk about high blood pressure, which is a silent killer. This information is for the public awareness about the high blood pressure, because this disease has become very common nowadays. High blood pressure is a silent killer because sometimes we know nothing about the situation, and when we come to know about this disease, until that time it could have reached to a very dangerous level. So the public should know about the blood pressure, its symptoms and some precautions to be taken in case of the high blood pressure. Here are some symptoms of the high blood pressure, which includes headache, fast heartbeats, dizziness, facial palsy, migraine and sudden blindness. All of these symptoms or few of them can occur when the blood pressure rises to a high level. If the cholesterol gets stuck or jammed in the head arteries, then it affects the specific place of the brain where it supplies blood, which could cause sudden blindness or even sudden death. If the brain arteries has become narrow because of the cholesterol, the patient's memory becomes very weak. Then high blood pressure can be pointed out or noticed with the BP machine, or it can also be found out with the examination of the eye, which is called fundoscopy. The treatment and precautions in case of high blood pressure. The ultimate treatment of this disease can only be done with the consultation of your doctor. By taking medication properly, you can live a normal life. So make sure don't miss your medication. Always try to take your medication on time, and it is necessary to check your blood pressure once or twice a week. Apart from medication and treatment, there are also some precautions and instruction for the blood pressure patients to help keep their blood pressure in control. For example, use of less amount of salt. The use of salt and blood pressure are directly proportional to each other. If the amount of salt is reduced or less than 5 grams are used in daily food, then the blood pressure can be reduced automatically. But if you increase the amount of salt in your daily food, your blood pressure can be rise easily. Apart from that, try to reduce your weight, because the obesity is also a major cause for the blood pressure. If the body weight is reduced, the risk of high blood pressure is also reduced. Use of less amount of fats and cholesterol. Fats contains cholesterol, which gets stuck or jammed in the blood arteries and make it narrow, which cause increase in blood pressure. So stop using ghee or oily food. Always prefer to use refined and pure oil of sunflower oil or vegetable oil, but it not in great amount. You should be careful about the using of oily food or stuff. Smoking and alcohol is also a major cause for blood pressure. So try to stop taking alcohol and cigarette. Cigarette contains nicotine, which contracts blood vessels. and in the result the blood pressure is rising to a high level. Research shows that avoiding smoking in a little high blood pressure is better than taking medicines in the high blood pressure. And the last thing is take exercise, because exercise makes you fit and healthy. Taking a regular exercise can reduce your weight and also attract your brain towards positive things and positive attitude. Exercise decrease your blood pressure and make you able to enjoy other joys of life, and you will be able to take interest in other activities of life. Please note, with the above mentioned instruction and precaution, if your blood pressure has become normal, but it does not mean that you stop your medication. Still you need to continue taking your medicine. Do not stop your medication without the consultation of your doctor. So always see your doctor, and do not take any step by yourself. Always consult your doctor and continue to take your medication properly. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.